biryani pure is wooden. No.
Jalebi?
Eh?
Jalebi?
That's mine.
Okay.
So, we are in Dubai. This is where we are. You see? So, I've ordered a chicken biryani, and you ordered
Butter chicken and roti.
butter chicken and roti. The food looked really good. I went inside. The food looked really nice. You ordered this, but this is a morning food. So it's halal puri.
And then you ordered fish biryani, but that's an evening food.
That's the evening food as well. So fish biryani. This one.
We clearly don't know the times of food.
This one is not available. It's only evening. Nice.
Spicy. We're going to be eating a lot of this. Patient they are. What's that? Want to try it?
Yeah.
And ordering a biryani probably wasn't the best idea.
But now, is it doughy or is bready?
Ready?
Yeah. That's why I can't have that. Say that. Are you having some?
Do you want some of the bread? What is the thinnest bread? What is the thinnest bread?
Okay.
The naans are really thick, so they have naan breads, they're really thick.
And just roti.
This is roti, and then they do chatti, which is a bit more like the Afghanistan bread. It's really good.
It's a different spice. It's not Ghana spice.
No, Ghana is like raw chili spice. No. Is it what you thought it'd be?
उनको 4:30-5 बजे की टाइमिंग हो तो आपको तब जाना पड़ेगा।
Alright, so guys, the food is delicious, but it's very spicy. Like it's hot than Ghana spicy. It's a different kind of spices. I think they have this yogurt kind of is it sauce to kind of cool it down. But it was delicious. The chicken was very soft, but the rice was just too much because we just had a egg sandwich and also a chai, so I'm a little bit full. So I'm reserving myself for pani puri. So yeah, the food was delicious. Jay is enjoying. Almost finished.
Very hot.
Very. You did well though. Look, you did well.
I did.
Wow. Guys, they're just calling for prayer. How amazing. Wow. My sis. Wow.